Okay, so here's the scoop. Imagine your leftover food and organic trash magically turning into clean energy and super rich fertilizer. Sounds cool, right? That's exactly what's happening with this groundbreaking place called the Convertus York Biofuels Facility in Ontario, set to kick off in 2027. They're taking a whopping 165,000 tons of food and organic waste every year. That's like tons of banana peels, veggie scraps, and coffee grounds, and turning it into renewable natural gas to power about 5,000 homes, plus fertilizer that helps farmers grow better crops without nasty chemicals. The secret sauce? A natural process called anaerobic digestion, where tiny microbes break down waste inside big tanks without any oxygen. This creates biogas. Think of it as plant-powered fuel and leftover material called Digestate, which is packed with nutrients for the soil. Now, the Convertus York team is super smart about cleaning out any junk like plastics before processing, so everything runs smoothly. What's extra wild is that this whole system slashes greenhouse gases by stopping methane, a super nasty gas, from escaping into the air. They're cutting emissions equal to taking 25,000 cars off the road. That's massive for fighting climate change. Plus, this facility is built to grow as waste patterns change and even manages odors and contaminants. So it's a win for the environment and the community. But here's where Farmonaut comes in. These guys are like the ultimate farm tech sidekick. Using satellites and AI, Farmonaut helps farmers track how their crops are doing in real time. Figure out exactly how to use that nutrient-rich fertilizer coming from places like Convertus York, and even keep tabs on soil health and moisture with super smart alerts. They also use blockchain to make sure everyone knows where their food comes from, building trust from farm all the way to your table. So basically, thanks to this teamwork between cool tech and smart science, Canada's stepping up with a fresh, green way to power homes and farms, turning old waste into new life. And that's just straight up inspiring.